Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Nokia announced XR21 yesterday, a successor to the famous XR20 rugged phone. I will be comparing the preliminary specifications of the new phone to the previous XR20 in this video. Some of the details of XR21 are however not official, but there will be an update soon which you can check out in the description below. Don't forget to like and leave a comment to let me know what you think after watching the video.